Welcome to our comprehensive review of the #1 VPN of 2024, ExpressVPN. Today, we'll dive deep into why ExpressVPN stands out as the best choice for protecting your online privacy and security. ExpressVPN has earned its reputation for excellence with its combination of blazing fast speeds, top-notch security features, and user-friendly interface. Let's explore what makes it the best VPN in the market. First and foremost, ExpressVPN offers unparalleled speed and performance. With servers in over 160 locations across 94 countries, you can enjoy seamless streaming, gaming, and browsing without buffering or lag. When it comes to security, ExpressVPN is second to none. It uses AES-256 encryption, the strongest encryption standard available, to safeguard your data. It also operates under a strict no-logs policy, ensuring that your online activities remain private. ExpressVPN's extensive server network allows you to bypass geo-restrictions and access content from anywhere in the world. Whether you're traveling abroad or at home, you can enjoy unrestricted access to your favorite websites and streaming services. ExpressVPN consistently ranks as the top VPN due to its robust security measures, fast servers, and user-friendly interface. It's a favorite among both casual users and cybersecurity professionals alike. In conclusion, ExpressVPN continues to lead the way as the best VPN of 2024, offering unmatched speed, security, and accessibility. Protect your online privacy today with ExpressVPN. Check the link in the description to get started. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on digital security.